Losing weight without exercise is possible, but it requires a combination of healthy eating habits and lifestyle changes. Here are some tips that can help you lose weight without exercise. Reduce your calorie intake. The most effective way to lose weight is to consume fewer calories than your body burns. You can do this by reducing your portion sizes, avoiding high-calorie snacks and drinks, and choosing low-calorie, nutrient-dense foods. Eat more protein. Eating more protein can help you feel full and reduce your overall calorie intake. Foods that are high in protein include lean meats, fish, eggs, and legumes. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks are high in calories and can contribute to weight gain. Instead, opt for water, unsweetened tea, or coffee. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt your metabolism and increase your appetite, leading to weight gain. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Reduce stress. Stress can increase the production of cortisol, a hormone that can lead to weight gain. Try relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Remember, losing weight without exercise can be a slow process, and it is important to be patient and consistent with your healthy habits. It is also recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any weight loss program.